Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Daniela and today we take a quick look at slip stitch and single bead crochet in practice. I'm going to simply compare these two techniques side by side so you can easily see the main differences in practice without you having to see long tutorials for each technique. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you just the two techniques in practice. So if you want to learn something about theory, for example, when to use slip stitch and when to use single bead crochet, I recommend you to see my previous tutorials. So enough talking and let's get straight into it. On the left side, you can see a slip stitch bead crochet, and on the right side, you can see a single bead crochet. First, we will talk about slip stitch. So, as you can see, you have to put the hook in the loop under the bead, push the bead down to the right, slide the bead, yarn over, and pull through both loops on the hook. On the other hand, if you want to make a single bead crochet, you have to put the hook in the loop of the bead, then slide the bead down, yarn over, pull through only one loop on the hook, yarn over again, and pull through both loops on the hook. So you can see that there are two main differences. First difference is that you have to push the bead down to the right when you slip stitch bead crochet after you put the hook in the loop. And the second difference is that you have to pull the yarn through the loops twice when you single bead crochet. I hope it helped you if you had any problems with these two techniques. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. So don't forget to subscribe and see you next time. Bye!